cold and breezy Christmas day, Mr. Walter and his daughter Charlie were selling Christmas trees at the end of the street. The hours passed and no one came to buy the trees. Mr. Walter kept on shouting, "Christmas trees, get your Christmas trees." But no one paid any attention as if they didn't have any Christmas spirit. He thought in his mind sorrowfully. But Charlie, his daughter, was still optimistic about it, and she encouraged him and told him, "Don't give up, Dad." He replied in a low voice, "But it's already Christmas Eve. After night, all these trees will be worthless." Suddenly, they saw a lady passing by and they tried to get her attention. She turned to them with a dreamy face and replied that she was not in a mood to celebrate Christmas as she had gone through a horrible year. Saying that, she moved on. Why do people lose their Christmas spirit? Mr. Walter thought. Everyone's Christmas spirit is gone. But Charlie, with full of Christmas spirit, consoled him. "We will figure something out, Dad. We have to sell all these trees out at any cost," he uttered desperately. "Else we don't have anything to eat at night. Moreover, the house rent is not paid and a small Christmas gift for my daughter is not purchased." He told her, "This will be the first Christmas we celebrate like this." Then she reminded him of her mom, who used to tell that Christmas is not about receiving, but it's all about giving. "Yeah, I remember," he replied and wished that he could be with him now to tell him what he should do next. Charlie suggested him to give away all the trees to the people as a gift, as they will be worthless tomorrow. But what about the rent? He hesitated. "Something would turn out and let's bring back the Christmas spirit in people," she assured him. He agreed half-heartedly, and thus they started to give the trees as a gift to the people around. They knocked at the door, and the door was opened by an old man with a grave look and told him that they had a hard year, especially for his wife, and so they were not in a spirit to celebrate the Christmas. Mr. Walter presented tree, saying that may this tree might bring their Christmas spirit, and the elderly couple thanked them. They knocked at the next door, and Cynthia, an old lady, opened the door. She was knitting a sweater for her daughter, and she told them that she had decided not to celebrate Christmas this year, but they gifted the tree to her, and she indeed happily accepted it, saying the tree meant a lot for her. Next, the door went with the last tree, and on the way they met the lady who had refused to buy the tree in the morning. Mr. Walter went to her with the tree, and she was irritated and cheerless and told him that she is not going to buy. But Mr. Walter told her to accept it as a gift, and he told a wise person once told that Christmas is not about receiving, but it's all about giving. She took it and went on her way. Now Charlie was very happy, but Mr. Walter was in tears as he thought of the Christmas dinner. Suddenly someone knocked and he opened the door. Mr. Frank and his wife stood there with a special dinner to be shared with Mr. Walter. They were very happy because of the Christmas tree, and they had gone through a horrible time in the past as Mrs. Frank was suffering due to cancer. The tree could revive their Christmas spirit. Mr. Walter was still unhappy as he thought that he couldn't give any gift to his daughter in this Christmas. And somebody knocking at the door, and it was Cynthia holding a gift packet in her hand. She gave the gift to him, saying she had knitted the sweater for her daughter as it was the custom, but she had lost her daughter last year. but the tree could meant a lot to her, and it could enlighten her drooping spirit, and she could feel the presence of her daughter. Thanking them, she went away. He handed over the gift to Charlie, and they were about to have their dinner. The man was still worried about the house rent, as it was the last day. The girl assured him that the house owner would not come and send them out, as it was the Christmas Eve. She was so excited, but her dad was thinking of the rent. Suddenly, someone knocked at the door. Mr. Walter opened the door. It was the house owner asking for the rent. Mr. Walter requested him that he doesn't have money to pay now. The man was very angry, and he shouted Mr. Walter to be out of the house. Suddenly his wife reached there, and she was surprised to see him there, and he told her that he lived there. The lady told her husband that he was the man who gifted her the tree. The man thanked Mr. Walter and told him the tree had saved their marriage. Past 1 year, their relationship was so much stressed out, and both decided to get divorced, and she was going to sign the paper when they gifted her the tree. She took the tree home, and it brought back so many amazing memories, and they decided to call off the divorce and celebrate the Christmas together. To the surprise of Mr. Walter, the house owner told them that the rent is paid in full, because a wise person once told that Christmas is not about receiving, it's all about giving. Merry Christmas.